Good morning, all the students of ninth standard. So, day before yesterday, we saw some of information about the changes in the year 1990s. In that also we saw how government collapsed. New government or alliance government also formed there, established there. But due to the internal crisis, that coalition governments also it's failed. Along with that, we studied the information about Rajiv Gandhi's and his assassination or his murder, and how his name came in the corruptions also, that corruptions of that purchasing military equipment, long range cannons called Bofors. Now today we will learn next point, that is the changes after 1991. So the year 1991 is held to be a very important in the history of the world as well as India there. So when 1991 started there, 20th centuries, we can say that this period is a very important for the world, in the history of the world also, or in the history of India also there. The Soviet Union disintegrated into the several different small countries and Cold War came to an end. So here Soviet Union is one of the most prominent or the strong opponent of America during the Cold War, or in the period from the 1960 to the 1990s. There were the two superpowers there at that time in our country, and both these superpowers they want to dominate in the world there, and they're trying to attract, or they're trying to control their neighboring countries there, among that America and Soviet Union. So here in the year 1990, Soviet Union, or in the year 1991, Soviet Union was disintegrated into the small pieces, or those were the country included into the Soviet Union, they became free. So in this way, Cold War came to an end, and whole world got peace there. So only one nation or only one country remain as a superpower in the world, that is America. Now, in the India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in Indian economy. In the year 1991, P.V. Narasimha Rao he became the Prime Minister of our country. So when he ruled our country, during his tenure, he made number of the changes in Indian economy there. During this period, the Rama Janma Bhoomi and the Babri Mosques issue at Ayodhya came to be forefront there. During the period tenure of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, in his time only, the issue of Ram Janmabhoomi is also started there, or the Babri Mosque is that. So that issue started during the tenure time of P.V. Narasimha Rao, which was that in the last years only thing, or this year's High Court gave the verdict judgment on this same topic or same issue there. So in the elections included between the 1996 to the 1999, no political party got the majority in the Lok Sabha. The period from 1996 to the 1999, during the 3 years tenure of the time, no one single party got a majority into the Lok Sabha. So due to that, what is there? Coalition government started there. They set up that sometime once again the election conducted there. This resulted into the three government in the short span of time. During the 3 year, three different government they ruled. They handled the administration of our country there. The period from the 1996 to the 1999. This happened only because of that no one single party got the majority into the Lok Sabha. To establish the government, to be in a power, for that purpose that party has to be prove themselves their majority into the Lok Sabha, but no one party got the majority in the Lok Sabha. So due to that three different government came, they ruled, they came in a power from the period 1996 to the 1999. Those led by the Prime Ministers Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda and Indra Kumar Gujral were among them. Finally, in the year 1999, the National Democratic Alliance came to power under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the prime minister of our country there. So there are three prime ministers. They ruled. They handled. They took the charge of Indian government. Prime ministers Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next, that is H.D. Devegowda and Indra Kumar Gujral. So after that, in the year 1999, Alliance Power established, or Alliance Power party, they formed that, called as a Bharatiya Janata Party, and prime ministers, former prime ministers Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he became the prime minister of our country. Atal Bihari Vajpayee tried to establish a dialogue with Pakistan but was not successful. When former late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when he tried to make dialogue negotiations with Pakistan, however, he did not successful in that negotiation or in that dialogue. India conducted a number of nuclear tests in the year 1998 and declared herself as atomic power or atomic power country. So in the year 1998, India successfully tested nuclear test at Pokhran and declare herself as atomic powers. On this same incident or the situation, that event, a movie is also there called as Pokhran Parmanu. So here in the year 1998, they successfully tested the experiment there and declared as a atomic power country there. And in the year 1999, there was another war between that India and Pakistan in Kargil regions over the Kashmir issue there. So the period of the year 1999, in the year 1999, there was a war between India and Pakistan. The Kargil issue there, India defeated Pakistan in this war as well. That so once again, this war happened. That means nearby 3 times they came face to face, India and Pakistan, and all the 3 times they lost. So on the Kargil issue, there was a war there, and that war also won by India. I think there is one incident from our Udgir also. There's Captain Krishnakant Chowk in front of the Lal Bahadur Shastri school. At that time, that our soldier captain, he too also he was there in that war, and we can say he died. He sacrificed his own life to defend our country, or to defend the Kargil regions while fighting against the Pakistan. So this is the incident, or this is the issue, or these are the changes in the year 1990 to the 2000s. When you will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will see about Indian economy.